There we have the N95.
Yes.
And this is this been announced a few months ago.
Yeah, we announced it in September.
September, but everybody's going mad about this. Why are they doing that?
This is the top-of-line multimedia computer from Nokia. It's Nokia N95. This has dual slide action.
Yeah.
Slide it up, you have your traditional mobile factor. Slide it this way, and you've got a mobile player.
Mobile player, mobile factor.
Mobile player.
Video player.
Video player. You go to like maps.
So you slide it this way or this way? Both ways. Alright.
You slide it the other direction.
Let's see what happens.
Load some stuff.
Alright, show down.
Is it loading or?
Loading, yeah. This is still prototypes. They're taking a bit to.
Google Maps.
Not Google Maps.
Google.
Nope.
I know. It's just the Earth picture.
This is a picture of the Earth, and the maps are actually supplied by a company that Nokia acquired during the summer called Gate 5. So the maps are provided by Smart2Go. They're based out of Berlin. Smart2Go is a Nokia company.
Yeah.
And the maps for the N95 will be available within N95 60 products during the first and second quarter of this year.
Is it kind of like Google Earth?
It's very similar, yes.
Yeah?
Very similar.
You can
very
browse
similar.
around.
You can browse around. I think because we're inside, we're not going to get a GPS connection, but as soon as it gets a GPS connection, it'll zoom into where we are.
It tells you where you are.
Tells you where you are.
If you're a little bit confused.
If you're confused, or if you want to find, the nearest casino, if you need a gas station, what have you.
But you zoom all the way in, like Google Earth?
Yeah, so I know I already have Vegas in here, so I can zoom in.
Huh? Jason Gregory. Who's Jason Gregory? He's like the guy with the love tissue.
And it just buffers the content from the net.
So what happens is you have the difference between Smart2Go and Google on the mobile is that Smart2Go actually takes the data from the server and puts it onto your device. So you can set the amount of memory you want to be used from Smart2Go. Whereas Google, when you take your laptop offline, you're not going to have the maps anymore, right? With this, you can actually download the maps before you leave off your Wi-Fi, download the maps via GPS, via 3G networks, and the maps are always with you.
Alright, but not for the whole Earth.
If you wanted to. If
but
you had a big enough memory card,
terabytes.
No, not terabytes, you need gigabytes.
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 Gigabytes?
Gigabytes.
Alright. But then you have like the 3D flyby?
We don't have flyby, but I don't think I'm online right now, so I'm not going to have the best.
It cannot zoom anymore?
Phoenix.
But if it was online, it just goes all the way, just like Google Earth. Kind of.
It's famous.
Let's see if we can find this. So let's see the.
So what was the sponsorship?
So if you have the city guides, you can come in here and go to things like view. You can go 2D, 3D, zoom in, zoom out, go to categories, change the map colors, satellite info to see what satellites you're connected to. You can also do things like extra services. You can get city guides, you can buy city guides, you can add navigation. And what the navigation means is you actually have somebody telling you turn by turn where to go.
Alright.
So you'll be able to route your way is free. The navigation and the city guides are actually costing money.
Alright. So it has a browser, Opera also?
It has the Nokia browser with mini-map.
Okay.
Yeah. Go up there and do
the
that.
Browser and all these softwares like the N series.
Yes, very much so.
Alright, the connection is...
Okay, so it's not working too well right now.
He's not here. I haven't seen him.
Alright, thanks a lot.
No problem.
Thanks. Bye-bye.